I-shift with crawler gears is great news for truck operators carrying heavy loads in demanding situations. It provides a unique startability from standstill with loads of up to 325 tons. It also helps truck operators to drive at speeds as low as 0.5 kilometers per hour. This is a huge help when performing precision maneuvers. The crawler gears are added to a regular I-shift gearbox. The transmission is available in a choice of direct drive and overdrive, with 1 or 2 crawler ratios. In an I-shift gearbox with 2 crawler gears, the lowest ratio is 32:1. To sum up, I-shift with crawler gears basically means that you get 2 gearboxes in one, suitable for both heavy or long-haul assignments, with preserved low fuel consumption.